Hey guys, welcome back to Nanrobot. Today we will show you how to replace the center display. Different models of e-scooters are equipped with different center displays. If you want to buy more accessories for Nanrobot e-scooters, you can visit our official website for a selection. Of course, you can always chat with our support team if you have any question. First, we need to disconnect all the connectors of the scooter linked to the center display, each with a corresponding color, so that we can identify them faster when connecting back. Secondly, use the Allen key to loosen the screws on the bracket and remove the nuts on the back. Now we can easily remove these screws. Thirdly, we remove the bracket from the handlebars. This successfully removes the center display. Then we need to use the Allen key to remove the two screws. Loosen them first and then remove them. This successfully separates the bracket from the center display. Take out the new center display, align the bracket with the holes on the back of the center display, put in the screws, and tighten them with the Allen key. Next, put the bracket back on the handlebars. Put the screws back in, tighten it with Allen key, and you're done. Finally, we screwed all the connectors in order according to the color. I hope this video will help you, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.